Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 46. We are still on Unit 4. So this is Lesson 7, Functional Language. Activity 1. You are talking to your robot, home helper. Complete the dialogue with the phrases. So there are around 8 phrases here. And then for A, hello. Have you done all the chores yet? So given answer, I'm sorry, I haven't finished yet. That's okay. Have you made the beds? No, I haven't. And then now, so you should write as, shall I do it now? And then we strike through this one. Shall I do it now? Thanks. That would. So this is be helpful. So be helpful. Have you done the washing? No. I'm. So this is afraid I haven't. So number 4, afraid. I haven't. And number 5, me to do it now. So this is start with would you like? So number 5, would you like? Me to do it now? Yes, please. That would be great. Have you made the dinner yet? No, I'm afraid So this is haven't had time. So I haven't had time. No, I'm afraid I haven't had time. Shall I make it now? And then the last one. So don't worry. I can do it. We are going to have pizza. Next, we go to checkup challenge. So this is activity 1. Circle 8 words in the word search. Then complete the sentences with the words. So this is the first one. So given already, clock room. And then we have this vertical. So we circle this word here. So polite. And then we have battery. So also vertical. And then we have freeze. And then we have locker. The clever. And then horizontally, speed. And then we have factory. So there are 8 words now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we already complete this word search. And then number 1, you leave your coat in the clock room at school. So this is number 1. And number 2, that tastes horrible. I want to eat out. So this is spit. S-P-I-T. And then we have number 3. You must be to your teacher. So polite. Number 4. My robot needs a to work. So this is battery. Battery. Number 5. People make things like cars in a. So this is factory. So a place where something manufactured. So this factory. Number 6. You can keep your books in a at school. So this is locker. Number 7. He's very clever. It's always top of the class. So clever. Number 8. Don't eat ice cream too quickly or your mouth will freeze. So we have 3 E's here. So freeze, make sure you spell it correctly. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 46. So if you are okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram bot that I developed.